Ender 3S1 drill paddle prop 3D print, I guess it's called. 8 hours and 7 minutes in, or 8 hours and 8 minutes, 11 minutes left. This print's going to be for my kayak. I'm going to hook it up to a drill and use it as an outboard pretty well. So as soon as it's printed here, it's almost at 99%. I'll haul it off the bed and we'll clean it up and show you what it looks like. 1 minute left, just about done. And it's done. So let's pop it off the bed. So here's what printed, and this goes on the end of a drill, it goes in the water, spins.